Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children, I welcome you all to class 4 English. Today we will learn a new topic in grammar. Before going to today's topic, I will ask you a riddle. So children, the riddle goes as: I come in many different colors and I get bigger when I am full. I will float away if you don't tie me down, and I will make a loud sound if I break. What am I? Children, can you guess what would be the answer? Yes, the answer is a balloon. What is a balloon? A balloon is a noun. Can you able to see balloons in different colors? It is in green, blue, pink, yellow, orange and red color. So here we are describing a noun with its kinds. Today we are going to learn about describing a noun. Describing a noun is called adjectives. Today our grammar topic is adjectives and its kinds. Before we learn kinds of adjectives, shall we see what is adjectives first? What is adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tells us something more about a noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. The word which describes the person, place, animal or things are called as adjectives. What is adjective? Adjectives are describing words that tells us something more about a noun. Shall we see few examples in adjectives? What is this, children? It is a parrot. What is the color of the parrot? It is green in color. So we can say it as green parrot. Here, green is the adjective which describes the noun parrot. Can you able to see a boy? He is a smart boy. So smart is the adjective which describes the noun boy. What is the next picture, children? It is a ball. Ball is in which shape? It is round in shape. So round is the adjective which describes the noun ball. Can you able to see a hen with its chicks? How many hen and chicks are there? There are one hen and two chicks. So 1 and 2 are the adjectives which describes the noun hen and chicks. Words used for color, kind, shape, number are adjectives. Green tells us about the color of a parrot. Smart tells us about the kind of a boy. Round tells us about the shape of the ball. 1 and 2 tells us about the number of hen and chicks. Here parrot, boy, ball, hen and chicks are nouns. The word green, smart, round, 1 and 2 are adjectives which is used to describe a nouns. Shall we see few more examples in adjectives? Blue shirt, messy bedroom, beautiful rainbow, delicious pizza, fluffy bunny, happy baby, silly dragon, tiny ladybug, brave firefighter, shiny mirror. In this, blue, messy, beautiful, delicious, fluffy, happy, silly, tiny, brave, and shiny are all adjectives which is used to describe a noun. Words used to describe a quality, color, size, shape, and number are called adjectives. Now we know what is adjectives. Adjectives are a describing word that says something more about the noun. Shall we see the kinds of adjectives now? Kinds of adjectives are adjectives of quality, adjectives of number, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. These are the kinds of adjectives. Now we will see the first kind of adjective. Adjectives of quality. What is adjectives of quality? Words which describe about the kind or quality of a noun are called as adjectives of quality. And adjectives of quality describes the quality, shape, size or color of a nouns that comes after them. Adjectives which answers the question what kind are called as adjectives of quality. Some examples of adjectives of quality are wise, clever, brown, cute, etc. What is adjectives of quality, children? Words which describe about the kind or quality of a noun are called as adjectives of quality. It answers the question what kind. We will see few example sentences for adjectives of quality. Nancy stroked the soft white fur of her tiny kitten. Here, soft, white, tiny answers the question what kind the noun kitten is. There are the adjectives of quality which describes the noun kitten. The next sentence is the elephant is a strong, big and intelligent animal. The word strong, big and intelligent describes the noun. So they are the adjectives of quality. Archana is a charming and graceful lady. In this sentence, the word charming and graceful say something more about the noun. So they are called the adjectives. What kind of adjective it is? It answers the question what kind. So it is adjectives of quality. Shall we learn the next kind of adjective? Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. Adjectives of number will express the number of person or things. Adjectives which answers the question how many are called as adjectives of number. Some examples of adjectives of numbers are 1, 3, 4th, 5th, all, some, enough, few, a few and any. Adjectives of number are used with countable noun. What is adjectives of number? Adjectives of number will express the number of person or things. Adjectives which answers the question how many are called as adjectives of number. we will see few example sentence for adjectives of number. We have 2 hands. 2 is the adjective which describes the noun hands. 2 answers the question how many. Therefore, 2 is the adjective and hands are the nouns. Nikhil has few friends. In this sentence, the word few describes the number of friends. Therefore, few is the adjective of number. There are some pictures on the wall. How many pictures are on the wall? Some pictures. This answers the question how many. So, some is the adjective which describes the noun pictures. What kind of adjective it is? It is adjectives of number. Now we learnt adjectives of quality and adjectives of number. Next we will learn the next kind of adjective. It is adjectives of quantity. Let us see what is adjectives of quantity. Words which describe the quantity is called adjectives of quantity. They do not give us an exact number of the noun. Adjectives which answers the question how much are called as adjectives of quantity. Some examples of adjectives of quantity are most, all, little, a little, any, enough, some, whole, half, much, less and least. Adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable noun. What is adjectives of quantity? Words which describe the quantity is called adjectives of quantity. Adjectives which answers the question how much are called adjectives of quantity. Let us see some example for adjectives of quantity now. Can you able to see a rice in a bowl? I ate some rice. What is noun here? Rice is the noun. What is the adjective then? Some is the adjective. It is describing something more about the noun. So what kind of adjective it is? It is answering the question how much. So it is adjectives of quantity. There is a little water in the jug. In this sentence, the word little describes the quantity of noun water. Therefore, little is the adjective and water is the noun. So, little is the adjectives of quantity. There is enough petrol to reach to the destination. In this sentence, what is answering the question how much? It says that petrol is enough to reach the destination. So, enough is the adjective which answers the question how much. What is the noun which is described? Petrol is the noun. Enough is the adjective which describes the noun petrol. Okay children, we will have a small recap of today's topic. What is our today's topic? Adjectives and its kind. What is adjective? Adjective is a describing word which says something more about the noun. In this video, we learned first 3 kinds of adjectives. What are they? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of number and adjectives of quantity. Children, We learned few kinds of adjectives today. Still we have few more kinds of adjectives. What are they? A demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and we will learn about the formation of adjective also in the next video. Thank you children. Take care. Bye.